watch the video, like it, and share it, and subscribe it. Right? So right about now, I'm ready to visit the kitchen. Check it out in the kitchen, all the great chef. See there, one here in the kitchen, I tell you. See there? Yeah, curry. See there, curry. See there? Curry goat. See all the seasoning. Maggi seasoning. Here, all of that curry then. You can see it.
Put our better pack.
Yeah. Better pack. Originally curry?
Yeah, man. Straight from yard, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
We have the rest of them too. Don't know, we have the pimento.
Yeah.
And we have the jerk season. And we have the season for the bone.
Yeah.
You know, we have the Indian curry.
Yeah.
We have the next, you don't know it.
So what is Maggi seasoning?
Yeah, full Maggi. Very full. You know?
Jamaica?
Straight from yard, you know?
Okay.
Some other big things. So by the end of this show, you will see the outcome. Yeah. So, peace out for now. Yeah. You don't know, say the pandemic and thing and you don't have to go out and rug a floss, you don't have to keep a party, you can't just floss in your yard, you can't just spot in your yard and just say you have the Christmas that and you don't know, carry no mash up everything and you know, I'm more life is saying, and we have to secure more life. Same way, you see it. So right now I beat the buckle of fireball and straight, you know. Yeah, so I drink it and frost, just go lie down on my bed straight. You see me? Yeah man, that's straight on my bed, I'm gonna lie down. Yeah, you see it. You can't hold for thing to entertain yourself, you know. For the Christmas, you know. You understand? You can't go on your phone, you do a little thing for your phone, you see me? See me put up a lot of things for the phone and thing and communicate with people and thing and feel like relief, enjoy myself. Can't do the same. You see me? Yeah. Friday evening, you know. See, instead of go out there and say, boy,